Today I will show you how can you create this realistic t-shirt mockup. I will show it to you in Photoshop, but if you have a low-end PC, then at the end of this video I'll show you a trick, and by using the trick you can create this same mockup with any kind of low-end PC. So let's start. Here I am using Photoshop. First I will import my image in Photoshop. Then I will drag a sticker photo and drop it into our canvas. Then I will resize it and place it in the middle of the t-shirt. Then I will go to the layer panel and I will keep the mouse above the sticker layer and right click in the mouse. Then I will select convert to smart object. Make sure you must do this so that you can replace this sticker with any other sticker by one click. Then I will select the sticker layer and click Ctrl J in the keyboard. This will create a duplicate layer of the sticker. Then I will rename the bottom layer as shadow and rename the top layer as highlight. Then I will hide the highlight layer and select the shadow layer. Then I will change the blending mode of this layer into multiply. Then from the top menu I will select layer. Then I will go to layer style and I will choose blending option. Then you will see this box. This is called blend if option. This is the tool that helps you making a realistic t-shirt mockup. Or there is a shortcut. If you double click on any empty space of a layer, you will also find this blend if option. Here you will see two sliders. One is this layer and another is underline layer. Here where I am working with shadow layer, I will drag the white point to left. Now if I press and hold Alt in the keyboard and then click on this white point, this will divide it into two pieces. Then by sliding these two parts, I will adjust the mockup according to needs. Here you can see the highlighted part of our sticker is totally erased. Now I will unhide the highlight layer and select it and then change the blending mode of the highlight layer into screen. After changing the blending mode, here you might not see any difference in the highlight because our t-shirt color is black. But when you will work with other color t-shirts, then you have to change the blending mode into screen. And when you work with a black color t-shirt, then you can keep the blending mode to normal as well. Then I will again bring the blend if option. This time I will slide the black 2 points to the right. Now I will again click and hold Alt in the keyboard and then click on this black point. This will split black into two pieces. Now I will again adjust these 2 points according to my image as needed. This will add a realistic effect to the sticker. In the bottom corner of the sticker layer, you will see the smart object icon. If I double click on this icon, here you can see the sticker that we used in the t-shirt. Now if I add another sticker here and hide the previous sticker, this will replace the old sticker with all the effects that we have used. In the top beside the file name, you will see a cross icon. Now I will click on this and then I will click on yes. Here you can see our sticker has been replaced. Now if you want, you can bring the blend if option and make some adjustment according to your need. If you make t-shirt mockup like this look much more realistic. You can see the folds of the t-shirt is also in our sticker, which looks much more realistic. Now I will show you a trick where if you have a very low-end PC and if you can't install Photoshop in your PC, even then you can create the same effect. Your PC just have to be able to browse the internet only. For this we will go to photopea.com. Photopea is called a free and online alternative of Photoshop. First I will click on new project, then I will select the aspect ratio, then I will drag my t-shirt image and drop it to the canvas. Then I will adjust the image with canvas. Then I will drag and drop the sticker image and place it in the middle of the t-shirt. Then by clicking Ctrl J in the keyboard, I will create a copy of the sticker layer and then I will rename one as shadow and another as highlight. For shadow, change the blending mode into multiply, and for highlight I will change the blending mode into screen. Then I will click any empty space of the sticker layer. This will bring the blend if option here. Here we have to use this blend if option same way as we did in Photoshop. I will not repeat the same process and I will fast forward this video because we have already seen the process in the Photoshop. You have to do the same thing here. At the end, when your image is ready, from the menu bar, select File menu, then click on Save as PSD and then choose PNG or JPG, any image format. Now if you click on Save, this will download the final image to your PC. So that's it for today's video and thanks for watching this video.